Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah. I have done my O levels from Convent Islamabad. After that, I visited this campus, ITHM, and I didn't knew about anything regarding hospitality industry. When I first came into this institute, the counselors and teachers guided me a lot and helped me to choose which field to take in this industry. So after that, I got enrolled myself into the 2 years program of diploma in hotel operations, and I have done my first year from this institute. I have obtained 80 plus percentage in my first year, and now I have taken my exams of second year and the result is awaited. This industry is really nice. I learned a lot in this institute. They helped me a lot to groom my personality. Now, after completing my intermediate program from ITHM, now I am planning to move to abroad for further studies in the same field, because the courses which I have done from ITHM Institute are applicable and acceptable all around the globe. Thank you.